other side for like almost 2. In the first time, my dentist want me to go. Okay, because everyone is canceling, so I live close by than other stop. But then he called me again after an hour to go back home. Like, there's no bus anymore.
So late for that.
No bus, no Uber.
I know everything's canceled.
Yeah, so let's try. I'm thinking to walk home, but I don't have my until knee boots. Dun sa Shepherd, dun sa pababa, Shepherd and Butters, ang dami nila doon.
I'll make so much money just going there.
Go! Kahit yung mga nasa bus, ano lang, nasa bus stop, pick up mo.
This is unreal.
After
never had
5
this
years, no,
much.
5. When was that?
We never had this much snow since what, 96? 96, 97?
How about the 2013?
21?
2013,
That's nothing.
the storm. That, oh well, it's just icy, right?
Yeah.
But this is not
This is
much.
the weather of 1997, 98.
Really?
Yeah.
I wasn't here. So.
It's like this every day.
Every day.
Mm-hmm. See that crisis?
Look how they walk. Oh my god. So bad.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't find my truck. I'm like, where's my truck?
You sent me the picture. I was like, oh my god.
All you can see is my door. Now I'm stuck here now too. Hello? Yeah. Now I'm stuck here too. Because now he's getting his driveway shoveled.
Why?
Yeah.
What happened?
No, he's got the driveway is being shoveled now.
You don't know for a motorcycle ride?
I'm crazy. Let's have a drink. Let's have a drink.
I'm gonna hook my motorcycle to the back of Christian's truck and he can pull me down the bathhouse.
Okay, he's done. Let's see how bad Neptune is. And there's a car stuck right there.
Oh my god, look. Can't move.
Fuck, I wish I lived closer to you, man. I would have brought out the chains and I would have never go.
Oh my god, look at that.
It's 2 cars stuck in a
Two
row.
cars. Let's go hunt.
Yo.
You hear her laughing now. You should have heard him crying. That's something fucking slow.
I'm so happy.
It's all good, dude.
Oh, man.
It's all good.
First, my GPS said an hour and 47 minutes.
Yeah. actually clean.
What?
Rainy is actually clean.
Is it?
Yeah.
But ain't that a fire emergency route? Don't they have like the fire trucks or something that come out of there, or ambulances?
No, but it's a main artery. Because Rainy will get you anywhere. Oh, but freaking Neptune is freaking shoveled. Oh wow.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I don't know why we never put a plow on your truck, Joe.
Yeah, right. We're gonna put a plow on this baby, man. Are you kidding me?
No need.
Strap over to the front of your truck. With that fucking hairdo.
Bobit must be out as well.
No, he doesn't have that black truck anymore.
Oh no?
No, we had to get rid of it. Actually,
Wow.
remember he kept having that overheating issue last
Yeah.
year? Wow. We went to check his oil a couple weeks ago, and it was all sludge.
I wonder where these people are going.
No bus. No bus, no subway.
I think I'm just gonna be rescuing people all day today.
Why not? Good money in it.
People are stuck everywhere, man.
Go park at the corner of Bathurst and Wilson, the gyms.
Uber driver. Look at this.
Make up. Right at the corner there. You park at the corner. Cool.
Dude, I feel like I'm still driving on the road. Doesn't even feel like there's a snow on the road.
Did you even put winters on or no?
No.
No winters?
No, man.
I still inside that.
Ask her. It doesn't even feel like there's no snow on the road.
Yeah, babe. Oh my god. I like it.
Look at this.
Listen to the name of the truck though, Avalanche. It was built for it.
People are getting stuck all over the place. Oh, how am I gonna get through this? I hope so. Oh no, he's parking this side. Dude, I feel like I'm a child right now playing.
I'm right in front of the bus stop. I'm in the opposite side.
That dog's gonna
Oh my
disappear.
god, is that Ed Sir? It's Ed Sir with his dog. Ed Sir! Hi, Kamsa! Rescue! Rescue ko!
Oh yeah?
Galing, hindi pala papunta work pero hindi ako nakarating.
Oh my goodness.
I know, so bad.
Ay, sala.
Yeah.
Eh, parang familiar ka. One of the customers sa Joycey, Starbucks.
Yeah.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah, thank you. Pick up
Okay, I'm right to this car shoveling. Right here. There. Oh, here is okay. Video kita, kuya.
Oh,
Oh,
right
kuya. It's right here, this one.
Okay.
Thank you, kuya.
No problem.
You're my savior. Ala, baliktad, G. Baliktad, Aji.
The boots are gonna be full of snow.
It's okay, I'm not gonna stay long. I don't have higher boots.
Unless you fall in. I might help.
Liro, can you hold it for a while?
The phone?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Walk in it?
No, I'm taking a video. My gloves is wrong side. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, that's all?
Not me.
Oh. Okay. You want the shovel still?
Yes, I'm gonna do it. Wait, apay madiming kantikwana. Can you hold it, baby? Let me fix Ray. And zoom too. Too hard.
Higa ka dyan, tatabunan ka.
The snow is taller than you, Mom.
Tatlong buwan na hindi ko nilalamig. Singer yan, ang lakas umiyak, naririnig ko pag naglilinis ako dyan.
Oh, I got hair.
Naririnig ko yung iyak niya, lakas eh.
I just want to clean our windows.
Natayantay ko yung contractor.
Lapit mo, Liro. Naklik yung pause.
Contractor din yun. Inuna ko nga yan, dahil kasi kanina walang bubaba dyan.
Just the window? One up here?
Also that one, on the top.
Did you see on top of the balcony at the back?
Yeah, cool.
Oh, I didn't get your arm.
Just use this one.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I want to take a picture of Sobilik.
You have gloves? Corey? Corey?
Only a picture.
Can you send the gloves down, please? No, let him do some work, man.
Yeah, it's fun.
His wife was asking if he did work.
It's fun.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Corey's birthday. Happy birthday, Corey!
Oh, it's his
Probably on the
birthday?
balcony.
Happy birthday!
Today? Oh, happy birthday!
How old are you?
Happy